Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we could see a significant momentum towards the upside. This is purely based on news. Even though up to 10 o'clock or 10:15, the market was just consolidating within a range, trapping both call option and put option buyers. Only later point of time when good news related to BJP started coming out, saying that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is going to be a part of NDA, he is not going out. This became a positive news for BJP. Now, if you remember, today morning in our pre-market report, while speaking about Nifty, we said that Nifty has formed a narrow range. If Nifty opens within this range and breaks 22,037 level, we can plan for a call option trade after the retest, as shorts at the top might push Nifty upwards. One more update which we said was if Nifty opens flat or breaks the trend line, 21,654 level is a reversal area, potentially causing the market to move upward after trapping put option buyers. Majority of the setup in Nifty that we spoke today was clearly on the call option side. Apart from this, we had discussed about a lot of interesting stocks which had potential of giving breakouts. Those things also we have discussed here. As soon as the market opened was, traders as per the market, Nifty is expected to open somewhere near 22,125. But huge call option writers are sitting at 23,000 and put option writers are sitting at 21,000. So many people have sold both call option at 23,000 range and 21,000 put option they have sold here. So expectation was market will trade within this 2000 points range. Nifty did not go above 23,000 or go below 21,000. It was just trading within a range in the morning. But once this positive news related to BJP came out, Nifty started to move towards the upside. Now in our private Telegram group, somewhere around 9:20 itself, we discussed about important support and resistance level both for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. In the morning, market gave a false breakout, moved towards the downside, respected the support level, and finally it moved up to the resistance area. This movement was expected based on price action. But when Nifty was somewhere here, in our private Telegram group, I had shared a very important update. At 11 o'clock itself, I had given a hint saying that Nifty has respected the support and it has moved close to the resistance. Our resistance level is after breaking previous swing high. Expectation is Nifty after reaching the resistance, it might correct. So no fresh call options trade. I gave that update when market was somewhere here. Now next when market came here also, we gave this important update by sharing both Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. Nifty had reached our resistance level. So I said, traders, here is the observation. Nifty has broken the swing high, right? Here it has given a breakout near the resistance level which we shared in the morning. Now Bank Nifty is coming to the resistance. Here you can see Bank Nifty is coming to the resistance. There is a very high chance that there can be a reversal. So plan to not hold any call option trades anymore. This is purely based on price action. Anyone who entered the market at the support level, they are fine. But anyone recently, if they would have entered, you can see here Bank Nifty fell by more than 600 points and Nifty, it fell by 200-250 points. Later, because of the positive news, market broke this level also. But imagine you entering the trade somewhere here and during this reversal, will you be able to handle this loss? It is very difficult, right? Now, after market closes, people would say, okay, if I have entered at the support, I should hold on to the trade until the end of the day. That doesn't make sense. Because of the political news, it can be dynamic. What is working for us? Price action. Where one index gave a breakout, other index coming to resistance, that's the rules that we follow. Doesn't matter on the election day or after election. We sticking to our rules is very important. We know the probability of market reversing is very high, where there is a 75 to 80% chances of this happening. So rather than competing with the market, better to book our profit near this area. So that was the whole idea behind today's trade. Now let's quickly discuss about what can be the trading plan for tomorrow. Traders, since it is Nifty expiry tomorrow, let's discuss about that first. Now today where Nifty has closed is at a very interesting level. Now if you just look at this chart, Nifty's today's close is somewhere exactly near Friday's closing. Now on Saturday, Sunday, when people started giving exit poll news saying that, BJP definitely they will win 400 seats. Some news channels even said 370 to 380. Now this market treated as very positive. Because of that, it opened with a huge gap up and it settled at that level. Now Tuesday when market opened, definitely we saw a very big fall. because the counting had started. At that time, I think BJP was somewhere around 200 or 205. I don't remember exactly. What was the expectation, and during the counting, what was the number? Because of this, also, there was a very big fall in the market yesterday. But now, to a certain extent, majority of the things has settled in the market. So slowly, market started recovering. Now the recovery area is very important. First thing, if you see from swing high to swing low, if you draw the Fibonacci level, market has reached 0.618 level of Fibonacci. 0.618 level is a trend reversal area. Now next, if I zoom in a bit, this trend line is acting as a good support in the market when Nifty is smoothly moving towards the upside. Today, it has closed little below this trend line. Now, after this continuous momentum towards the upside, my expectation is, especially tomorrow is expiry, I feel Nifty can, to a certain extent, be sideways to bearish. If Nifty opens flat or gap up, starts moving towards the upside, giving a breakout here. I mean direct breakout. There's no other stop loss hunting level in the market on top. People who entered during this fall, the election day, they would have already seen their profit and exited. During this reversal, definitely they would have exited. But when news started coming out related to BJP, many fresh people looking at this breakout, all of them would have entered. So if market opens flat or gap up, as long as market is staying within this trend, it is better that we avoid. Later point of day, if it comes below 22,540, retest and then goes below this, then with small stop loss we can plan for a put option trade, where our first target will be 22,300 and second target will be 22,060. Market has moved so much today. 40% correction is something what I'm expecting. Later point of day, maybe short recovering rally can come where people can start exiting their positions. If you open option chain data, still fresh call option writers have entered near 23,000 and put option writers have entered near 21,000. More than 3 lakh open contracts. If the market wants to trap call option writers who's very close, then market from morning itself it has to start moving towards the upside. So patiently 10 to 15 minutes we will wait. At the upper range, if market is holding on for a longer duration, if there is a breakout, that is when with small stop loss we'll be looking for a call. Yes, there is no stop loss hunting level on top, but after consolidation, put option writers are near 23,000. At the same time, looking at this resistance, many people would have entered put. So their stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss and to remove call option writers at 23,000, that is when market can move towards the upside. Or else majority understanding is market can move towards the downside. After attracting more put option buyers here, maybe again it can reverse and start trapping retail traders. Now tomorrow, let's say Nifty opened with a gap down. That time what we would do? Let me switch to 5 minutes time frame. Majority of the time what market will do is it might reverse a bit. It can go above 22,500 after this gap down, attract some buyers. Later it can move towards the downside. When we get this kind of setup, reversal setup, that is when we can plan for a put. Entering a put option trade for me is more comfortable because I know in case market reverses, where is my final exit. Of course, we are not going to exit these areas, right? This is the area where we have to be planning for our exit after gap down if market reverses. So since we know where our exit is, so planning for a put option trade is more better, because at this breakout, if I enter call, placing my stop loss here, sudden spike towards the downside, I would be booking bigger loss if I have taken call option trade here. I hope you're understanding the logic. So as of now, this is my view about Nifty. Further details will be shared during the pre-market report in our free Telegram channel. You can scan this QR code to join the group. Link is also provided in the description. Just like today, tomorrow morning, I will be sharing important resistance and support level for Nifty. Based on that, we can plan a trading setup for tomorrow. So this is about Nifty. Now let's look into Bank Nifty. Traders, this is Bank Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. Now on this chart, from swing high to swing low, if I draw the Fibonacci levels, you can see Bank Nifty has reached 0.618 level area. This is where we could see some kind of correction. Tomorrow, if Bank Nifty opens with gap up or flat, it gives a breakout. I'm not interested in a call option trade because I'm not sure how far the market will go from here. One more point is there is no stop loss hunting area. People who entered sell position here, they would have booked their profit. One more thing is, this reversal can be a short covering rally to exit their put option trades, which they had taken yesterday. Now, if you open option chain data, 49,000 strike price on the call option side has highest number of open interest. In put option side also, the psychological level have some kind of fresh open interest. At the same time, option premiums are very high. Now, I personally feel in Bank Nifty, it can consolidate within this range, 49,200 to 48,600, 800 points range. But we have been seeing from quite some days that each candle alone is making a movement of 170, 200 points also. So we cannot plan exact entry in Bank Nifty since premiums are high. A sudden reversal, one big candle also will significantly impact our trade. So tomorrow, even if market opens with a gap up, we will not enter because this is the reversal area. If it opens within this range, we are looking at this past where market can just keep trapping retail traders. So we will wait for some time. Here also we cannot plan our entry. After consolidating for a while, reducing the premium amount, later if market is giving any kind of setup towards the upside or downside, that is when looking for a trading opportunity is better. At the same time, even if market breaks this level tomorrow, first we need to identify important support and resistance level, which we will do and share tomorrow morning in the private telegram group, how it is reacting at this level. That time we will have more clarity as to what is the maximum risk we can take per trade, right? Based on that, we can decide this setup is logical. Are we giving more than 100 points for this trade? If that is the case, we will avoid. But if it is under 100 points, we can expect 75 points risk if you are taking in the money, I'm saying. If that is sensible with small quantity, I'm thinking of planning for a trade. If it is just within this range, it is better that we wait for better confirmation to plan our entry. But we can always use Bank Nifty chart for planning for trades in Nifty. For example, Bank Nifty has given a breakout. But let's say Nifty is coming to resistance without giving a breakout, then here reversal is possible. So we will be looking at Bank Nifty chart to plan our trade in Nifty. As long as there is 50 to 70 points maximum risk that we are going to take, I mean on the premium chart I'm saying, entering any kind of trade is not a good idea because you can get trapped in the market. In Bank Nifty, it is a wait and watch game. Further details will be shared in the pre-market report tomorrow. As of now, this is my view about the market. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.